So this is an MTPredictor trading update. And here I just captured the three main index futures markets here. This happens to be a TS4 setup in the YM. Looks like that just did get entered there, risking $385. It's got a pretty big target there. Basically a 5-to-1 risk to reward. The NQ just stopped out of a TS2 trade there. That was a $400 risk on that, and this ES here has a DP trade or decision point trade, and you can see how this one's playing out. That's got a pretty healthy target on that too. 4.6 to 1 risk to reward. And so we'll just watch these and see how they play out. It's a Friday afternoon, so things are been a little slow this afternoon. It's typical on a Friday. But we'll watch these as we've been recording these trades as I can anyway, and posting them on the site. So let's see how these play out, and come back in a few minutes and see where we're at. Okay, so you can see what happened here. I actually just took a little break to eat some lunch. And a little TS4 that set up in the YM. This was the first and only trade today in the YM. 3-minute chart here. Actually hit the target. Looks like it hit. Just want to see where the low of this bar is here at 10,138. So would have hit here. You see the only other thing that you could have done is once it hit the target is if you wanted to manage it with the ATR stops here. As the STF indicator has exceeded the gray band here, which means there may be more downside, which of course there was. Other than that, you take the target, which was a nice target of 5.1 to 1 risk to reward. The NQ we looked at that had already stopped out. Unfortunately, had that TS2 sell and got stopped out there and didn't get a new automated signal for the short there. But the DP that played out. Now it did get to this 100% initial risk area. So at that point, once it was up around this 1098 area, you're probably wanting to move your stop to your entry at that point. So either a break-even trade, worst case scenario, you lost $337, $38 there. But so the YM trade played out very, very nicely there for a 5-to-1 risk to reward.